Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, was cut off because of the Wi-Fi. So, as I mentioned, the salary have a total. If you total it, if I add this 7,000, 2,92,000 of exemptions, if you avail it, and just deduct the 50,000 of the set standard deduction for the self-employed, like most of us clinicians, the answers would be 2,42,000. So the most shocking part is that according to a survey by the Government of India, 70% of the people do not invest even in Section 80C. And what was 80C? 1.5 lakh. So they don't even invest in this 80C fully. So do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Save mindlessly, spend consciously. So mutual funds sahi hai. Bringing you to the last section of finance. Are mutual funds sahi or good for us? We always say when we have to beat the inflation, government figures might be anything. Government figures might be claiming 5%, 6% of inflation. But on an average, if you were spending total 50,000 on your expenses last year, at the same time, your same expenses, all things combined, would be around 55,000 today. So you should have an instrument, growth instrument I mean to say, which beats the market handsomely or meets the inflation handsomely. And what better than mutual funds? PPFs are offering 8%, saving banks maximum 7%, FDs even lesser than that. So what options do we have? So anything which can beat the inflation rate, actually it is the only possibility in mutual funds. And mutual funds have shown to grow more than 12 to 15% as well. Sometimes as high as for the small unlisted small caps, as high as 30% also. Yes, they have the potential. But again, the risk appetite also has to be there because the equal risk of drowning the money is also there along with it. So, secret is start early, invest regularly, and stay invested. As I said in practice management, start early, plan well, finish early and well. So, there is a saying in stock market said by Warren Buffett only. So, be greedy when everyone is scared. Everyone is greedy. So, this is the time we are having today in our stock market presently. So this was a headline on Monday. The Sensex shed almost 3,200 points. The 10-year Nifty return is 2.3% and 14-year SIP return is 5%. सर अभी आपने बोला कि कोई मार्केट रिटर्न जो 10% दे उसको करें आप, ये तो इस परसेंट पे आ गई, सेविंग बैंक से भी कम पे आ गई तो what to do? The only thing is this is a temporary phase and this too shall pass. We have had corrections before 2000 and 2008. The market corrected sharply and there are a few positives in this also. The Government of India only day before yesterday, on Monday only, planned to take out some funds and injected the same. The result, the market had a surge yesterday, and I'm not sure, I just opened up the Sensex in the morning only at the opening bell. It was up by 500 points at the time of opening. Didn't check it because I was in the hair. The biggest positive is that Nifty is still 15 to 18% higher than the bottom of 2008. Both in terms of PE and PBV valuation. What is PE? Price to earnings ratio. Ratio for valuing a company that measures current share. And PBV is price to book ratio. It is still at a better level because of the inflation part. So remember, the biggest positive is there. Nothing is doomed yet. We might be having low levels, we might be touching bottom levels, but there is nothing to be scared of. Yes, there will be some recession. The main reason was the FIIs, the foreign investors, they took out their money. There was lump sum selling which led to sharp crash. So a few basics again, as I said, as I've dealt with in Bollywood language in practice management part, I'll be dealing with those. How to survive the market corrections, how to deal with the testing and tough times presently. सबसे बड़ा रुपया, cash is king. What does it mean? Global sell-off is there, as I said. The FIIs have taken out their money and some of the stocks are at a really lucrative level. We will all want to go into that buying of that stock. But then there is lack of clarity how big this cut is going to be. Some feel that bottom is yet to be reached. The markets will touch 2021. Nifty would touch around 6.5, roughly around that figure. But check your risk appetite and invest only now. अगर आपका मन कर रहा है इन्वेस्ट करने का, do it only now if you don't need the money for another 5 years. If you need the money after 1 year, don't even try to put in your hands in the market. Market means not only stocks but mutual funds also in this regard to you. If you need money for short term goals 1 or 2 years, don't put your money in the market now. Put it only if you need it 5 years later minimum. आज मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, then dynamic allocation. At this time, 7% saving bank of IDFC and 8% of PPF seem gold. If you look at the 10-year or 15-year figures of say mutual funds or the total say earnings out of that, they'll seem gold that they have given you the good return. That is why dynamic allocation should be there. As I said, lack of diversification. We don't know. The fund should be diversified. Then the approach should be there. What are you aiming at? Tax saving or wealth creation? I told you. टैक्स सेविंग के लिए आपको मैंने फिगर दिया 2,42,000 for the self-employed and 2,92,000 for the salaried people. And I gave you a figure also by the government of India. Invest 1.5 lakhs. The only reason 7% of the people file IT returns in India. 7% of the people file IT returns in India, and out of them 5% around 5% pay taxes, and luckily or unluckily 3.5 से 4% उसमें से salaried है. Those who don't have any choice. Given a choice, they will not even pay a single rupee of tax. The country will not grow. That's not possible unless all of us share the responsibility. So dynamic allocation, so that one say section can adjust for the losses in any sector if there is any. So risk तो स्पाइडरमैन को भी लेना पड़ता है. Take calculated risks. Investment should look to build a long-term super portfolio. So check your risk appetite and aim long-term. If you want to aim long-term, then only go in for investment. Otherwise not. नजदीक का फायदा देखने से पहले दूर का नुकसान सोचना चाहिए. Long-term wealth creation. Learn to differentiate between these two terms. Tax saving and wealth creation. टैक्स सेविंग करनी है तो 1.5 लाख भी लोग बड़े मुश्किल से करते हैं. 1.5 लाख कहां से करेंगे जब आईटीआर ही फाइल 5 लाख की करनी है उन्हें, जीरो टैक्स की. नंगा नहाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा क्या, कॉमन प्रोवर्ब इन हिंदी. इफ यू हैव इनकम शोइंग इनकम ऑफ द की वर्ड इज शो. इफ यू आर शोइंग इनकम ऑफ ओनली 5 lakhs, what do you expect? Nothing. So don't break your long term portfolios just because of short term gains. 5 years back and your eyes are moist and heart is bleeding looking at the returns, kindly hold on. Kindly hold on. Don't be worried. Don't book losses. Don't book losses right now. This is the time to hold. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे. Don't keep false hopes. There are some things which are not going to grow and the markets are at the lowest. The only way is up, up and up only. Up, up and up only. So remember where to do that. Successful investment is all about managing risk, not avoiding it. So as I told you earlier, if your assets become your liabilities, kindly get rid of them at the earliest. So in a bear market, as I said, cash is the king. So ensure that you have good liquidity to buy ample amount of opportunities to buy a stock. Or liquidity, these market ratings are all KYC rated. They are all done in white. You can't put in your black money into that. For that, you should have a good balance sheet. For that, you should show a good income. For that, you should pay a good amount of tax. These all things are interrelated. If you want to grow in life, you have to understand this part. use a staggered approach as it would hardly show a V shape. ऐसे डाउन आया तो ऐसे ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. Remember this part. So you have to consolidate this sharp fall into that way. So invest in high quality companies which will always pay back. Of course, the mid caps will also come back, but definitely the large caps will be coming back first. So large caps, mid caps, small caps. The large caps are the ones which are the reputed companies, are the big fishes, as we say, Reliance, Nippon, all those things. So the SIP approach is the best approach, systematic investment plan. That is the best approach to beat market volatility. People ask me, sir, आपके कहने पे हमने iron WhatsApp groups also. People say, आपके कहने पे मैंने SIP start की, मेरे सारे returns negative. So why worry? Should be happy. In this market, you will buy more number of units with your same amount of SIP. You will buy more number of units. Rather plan to top it up. Or if you can really afford, buy lump sum in good large cap stocks. I gave them the list also if they want to buy. Of course, the risk is yours. The only thing is I can guide you. But if you have the liquidity, if you want to avail and catch this opportunity, you can surely go in. So what to avoid? Avoid small caps and stocks with relatively poor liquidity. And in coming times, the vulnerable sectors will be automobiles because of the recession in economy, the retail, hotels, travel, aviation, infrastructure and construction. Because of the recession part, these sectors are going to suffer first. So do not invest in these sectors now. That is my advice. Of course, the experts' advice can vary. Again, the risk is yours. So do all your research before blindly believing me. So what to pick then? If I say this is avoid this, what to pick then? Consumer staples, pharma and specialty chemical companies, life insurance companies, multinationals with high return ratios and dividend paying track record. So these are the companies you can pick and choose. So everything is okay in the end. अगर नहीं हुआ okay, तो मान के चलिए end नहीं है, क्योंकि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So the bottom line is, if you earn well, pay good tax, show more in white, make that white money grow more for you. That is the aspect I have been repeating since morning. If you don't pay tax, you will still have money, but black, dead, buried and blocked. So the choice is yours, what you want. आगे की बात और थी, black money could be invested in real estate, but after the PAN-Aadhaar linking and the UID linkage, even the properties are having the worst of the time. We all know they are having the worst of the time, even before the economy or before the share market crash, and even before the coronavirus scare in the past 2 or 3 years almost. So just assume 3 dentists who have 20 lakhs of money as capital. One of them has 20 lakh white, one of them has 10 lakh white and 10 lakh black. The third one has 5 lakh white plus 15 lakh black. If they keep earning the same amount, presumably they keep earning the same amount every month for the next 10 years, who will have more money at the end of 10 years? The answer is as clear. This. Because his money is growing. This money is blocked, this money is blocked, which is not growing. Rather is getting depreciated while being buried in the closets of his home or almirah. So for becoming rich, as I said, diversification is a must. Invest optimum, term plan for a family cover of 1 crore, term plan for your family, for your own cover of 1 crore, Mediclaim minimum of 5 lakhs, some real estate if you want to, emergency fund 5 lakhs, some gold and silver if you can, and other secondary source of income. Endowment plans as such are not bad, as I said, but using them for term plans is a mistake. So balance the above and you will be a rich person of the world. Again, I will go back to my practice management. Charge more, especially for premium services in your clinic. The zirconias, the whitenings, the other payback procedures, the veneers. So there is always someone who will charge less. So the choice is yours, what you want. So millions of trees in this world are planted by squirrels who bury the nuts and forget. And invest and forget for 5 years minimum in today's market. it too will actually end, not accidentally, but it too will actually compound. So believe it or not, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Unlock its power. So what is the carry home gyan for today? Most of us are self-employed, and those who are in colleges also are not salaried or pension. No one of us wants to die early. But then the only thing is we should charge well and earn well. And I always say you can trust your parents, but you can never trust your kids. Strictly financially speaking only, not otherwise. But remember, you can trust your parents, but you can never trust your kids. We all strive to retire early. It is a very difficult time to lead a sorrowful life asking money from your kids. Self-dependence is the biggest gift we can gift ourselves. So think about it. The future is really in your hand. You want to keep breaking your back and neck and burning it, it's your choice. So I come to the end of my presentation. As I said, you can zoom in please. So this is my IIT time series, and part 39 was published in February. Almost 3 years plus 3 years and 3 months, and all of them are available on my website on iitimes.html. So this is the direct link to download the website from all the old parts. I write finance article series also. Even they are available online on this link available. So you can download it from there. So I run WhatsApp groups also. A couple of few slots are available. So if anyone wants to be added, this is my way of paying back to the society. I plan to keep these groups at 5 only. So once these 5 are full, I'll be closing them. So I run a paid group also, which is for the annual payment of 3,500 from January to December. And presently we have 67 participants in there. So thank you Lord Almighty for blessing me with this opportunity, and for all those parts I could impart or share with you in the past 2.5 hours or so. I did overshoot my time, but I do thank a big one to the admin team of WBA for giving me this opportunity. So this is my social media presence. If anybody wants to get in touch with me. One thing I'll always, as I say, I'll appreciate if you can post your feedback either to me here or in the comment section. I really appreciate your feedback. Please do post it. Bouquets and breakfasts both would be welcome in equal measure. I've tried to give my best, in this 2.5 say hours of journey with you. So this was my first time with FB Live. As I told you, I am not a very social media savvy person. So at the end of the presentation, I'll be again repeating that part. Kindly post your queries and problems in the comment section. We'll be taking a separate section only for comments, not on the any text part, only in the comment part in say a couple of days, as per decided by the admin team of the World Dental Association, as they finalize maybe 2 or 3 days. So I'll be keeping a separate session for answering those queries. So feel free to shoot your queries, comments, compliments, breakfasts, bouquets, all in the comment section. Thanking you once again. So signing off here. Bye. I'm home. I request you all to be home, be safe, and so that we don't go back 21 years. So stay home for the next 21 days so that we grow all together. Bye bye.